Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Root Beer here, and I'm going to be going through another Gauss contest from the University of Waterloo, this time the Grade 8 Gauss paper. Okay, so I have previously uploaded the Grade 7 Gauss paper from this year. If you're looking for an easier contest, I encourage you to look there. What have we got here? Well, we've got the Grade 8 Gauss paper from 2008, just as I mentioned. Let's just go through the very first little bit here. So you're allowed exactly 1 hour on this exam here. Calculators absolutely are allowed. I've got my calculator. Okay. Hopefully you bring one to your exam. And the other instructions, and there's instructions on every Waterloo contest, but I do encourage you to read through the instructions. Little things that I like to keep note of. There's going to be 5 multiple choice not 5 multiple choice questions. Each multiple choice question, the whole thing's multiple choice, but each question has 5 answers, 5 possible answers. Only one of these is ever correct. Other things I might draw your attention to would be the different weights for each question. Some marks are worth 5, some 6, some 8. The questions worth 8 are particularly hard. But I'm going to leave that to you guys to read. How would you be able to read them? Well, you can pause the video if you want, but I more encourage you to click one of the links in the description. It will take you to the university website, and you can get a copy, University of Waterloo website, that is. You can get a copy of this contest for yourself. Download it and read it off your computer. Print it out and try it with a buddy. I do encourage you guys to try and practice these contests before watching me do these videos. It just really lets you know what things you're good at, what things you still need to work on. And remember, practice makes perfect. Alright, but as I say, we're going to leave the instructions behind. Read them if you would like to. We're going to start off with question number 1, which is worth 5 marks. And question one on every Waterloo contest is usually very basic and oftentimes is a simple arithmetic question. But just because it's the first question and it seems easy doesn't mean it's not something you are going to want to double check if you have time later, and it doesn't mean it's something to rush through. Okay? So what have we got? The value of 8 times 6 minus 4 plus 2 is, so this is basic order of operations stuff, and I do like writing things down in the notepads, so we got 8 times 6 minus 4, and it was plus 2 as I recall, correct? Yes, it was. Alright, so order of operations, we do everything in brackets first. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Alright, now there's still a chance you could mess this up. If you do 2 plus 2 first, you're going to get the question wrong. And you'll get 32 as the answer, and fortunately for us, 32 isn't one of the possible answers, so we wouldn't be fooled that way. But we do multiplication first, so we'll do 16 plus 2, and now that's finally 18. So 18 is going to be our final answer. I think that was B. No, it's C. C right here. C is going to be our first answer. So I will see you guys in the next video for question number 2. Feel free to download the contest and try it out before we get there.